Hello everyone, my name is Sal Duarte and I'm owner of LMA Premium Detail, here based in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We serve surrounding areas such as Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, Jenks, Bixby, Owasso, and many other cities. We're a mobile detailing business and we specialize in automobile interior cleaning, hand wash vehicles, polish and wax, paint corrections, ceramic coatings, and many more services. So in this video, guys, what you guys are seeing is how I prep a vehicle for a ceramic coating. We're applying a 5-year coating on this beautiful Jaguar. So I would like for you guys to stick to the end of the video so you guys can see how glossy and rich this vehicle ended up looking like. The process that we use here is, of course, we start out with cleaning out the wheels. And then we move on to a good hand wash using McGuire soap diluted with a little bit of degreaser. After that, we follow with an iron remover, and then we do a good clay bar treatment on it. We do all the panels, the windows, the plastic trim. Then we do a good polish to remove any swirls marks, and then we ended up applying the ceramic coating. So I just wanted to briefly introduce myself, tell you guys a little bit about our business, and for you guys to also see the process and how I apply ceramic coating. If you guys are in the area, please go ahead and you can give us a call at 918-409-8457. You can also look at our services in our website, www.lmapremiumdetail.com. You can also email us at lmadetails@gmail.com. The best and most convenient, of course, is by phone number. And again, that number is 918-409-8457. You can call or text. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up.